In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Trailhead on Salesforce. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is ready, go to trailheadsalesforce.com. This is Salesforce's learning platform where you can access training content, hands-on exercises, and guided learning paths. Make sure the website has fully loaded before moving on so you can clearly see the options available on the page. When you arrive on the home page, look to the upper right corner and click the sign up button. This will take you to the registration area where you'll choose how you want to create or connect your account. If you don't immediately see the button, give the page a second to finish loading or double check that you're on the correct website. Next, choose your preferred login identity provider. Depending on what's available to you, this could be a Salesforce account, a Google account, or an email-based sign-up option. Pick the one that makes the most sense for you, especially if you want the easiest sign-in method for future access. For example, if you already use one of these services regularly, selecting that option can make logging in more convenient later. After that, enter your account details as prompted. The exact fields may vary depending on the sign-up method you selected, but you'll typically be asked to provide standard registration information. As you complete the form, you'll also need to fill out your profile metadata sheet and take your time here and enter accurate information since this helps set up your learning profile correctly inside the platform. It's always a good idea to review what you've typed before continuing just to avoid simple mistakes that could slow down the registration process. Once everything is filled out, click Next to complete your registration. After that, you'll be taken into the Learning Platform workspace where you can begin exploring Trailhead. This is the main area where you'll access modules, track your progress, and start learning at your own pace. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly create your Trailhead access and get into the platform without confusion. If you're setting this up for the first time, just move carefully through each screen and you should be ready to start learning in just a few minutes.